Hi, thanks for visiting my channel again. I having trouble for my line of my propane for my generator. Is whatever you have natural gas or this kind of regulator, the same use of fittings. So I try to fix the 3/8 player to use this 1/2 easy detach or easy connect, and I buy the Everbuilt from Home Depot. This one is a union player 1/2 by 3/8. So the 1/2 is the easy detach or easy connect, and the 3/8 is the other side, which is they call it that in general it's player. And the first thing I do, it's use this one. I do like a thick wrap of this one, like I apply like 4 to make it good seal. And when I put it in my generator, I use this spray bottle, and I noticed that they have leaks, so they have some bubbles, so I remove it again. And now I use this one again. I put only 2 to roll up this one, and after that I use this kind of cement, and I wait for like 8 hours at night. And now it's daytime, so I try to I let it dry first, and I try to hook it up again to my propane. So hopefully this one is work. So if this one is not work, I'm gonna buy again the number 5 that I get it in Amazon, but gonna deliver today, so I cannot wait that one. That's why I make another try again if this one's work. So let's try this one outside. Hopefully I have a positive result. So this one is only try error. So let's do it outside and see you there. So here my setup. That's the propane. Put this one in. So it's locked. So let's spray some soap here. So let's see if this one is still have bubbles when it started. So this one's all experiment. Let's do it. So let's start. I think it solved the problem. No more leaks, no more. So the idea that I got, it's good. So successful, no more leaks. And try to this right here. So no more leaks also. That's good. Now you can just approve that this one is work. Just put a decent amount of like 2 rolls of those yellow Teflon that you use it for natural gas or any pipe, propane or natural gas. That one is work. The vision is very sealed. There's no any bubbles no more. Not like before when I try it. So I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Thanks.